noticing right now. What's going on now? Oh wow! There you go. That is a shelf cloud right there.
Is that?
I see such a nice shelf
Check the
cloud.
phone, please.
Yes, do it right now.
So I need to turn off. I need to know.
Yeah. Really nice shelf cloud.
Oh, look at that way now.
My shelf cloud. Oh!
It's definitely lighting.
I may have got that.
You would have got it there.
Yeah, I'm out of position in this. Okay, I'm facing that way now.
Going that way, isn't it? I don't know. The next station is 10 miles, so it's junction.
Beefy, look at that!
Isn't it? Yeah.
This is really northwest.
What about near Tewksbury?
That's no. I mean, I don't know. This is honestly what I want to chase right now. But like the one near Tewksbury is really intense as well. So catch on on the way back, couldn't we?
Right. Well, maybe.
Let's see if it comes up to. Oh my goodness! Wow. Oh!
I just saw one actually.
That would have been on the camera. Was the bolt?
Yeah, it was right there.
You saw a bolt?
No.
The ice line literally. What is that? Honestly, what is that doing there? What's going on down there? Wow, very, very nice wells mouth here. Is there any way to go straight towards it? I'm gonna go on this road now.
Yeah, this way.
Oh yeah, that's definitely shelf. That's a shelf cloud for sure. Look at that, that's incredible.
Pointed that way.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
That's what we're gonna get.
That's nice. That's very nice. You can see it moving in, can't you? Sort of, yeah.
I don't know. So you say it's going top left, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's it's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely. There we go. That's where all the lighting's going to be.
Yeah. Okay. We'll see.
So, we've got 2 bars of 4G.
So I think I need to go.
Oh, there we go. Immediately. I hope that was in focus. That was... Yeah, it's beautiful.
I'm gonna go right. Because I don't think it's going to be.
Sort of. Look at that, that's amazing. Very nice shelf plan here. Oh, that might be one. We're heading towards the front.
No, it is. That's just northwest lane.
We're heading basically with it. Very nice shelf cloud features. Man. Yeah, now it's beginning to actually. Oh my goodness, that's really intense actually. It's all basically here, all up the front, and like literally all of it. It's in Worcester. All the rain drops, it's very intense rain.
So this is where I
Oh
work,
yes!
anyway, so
Try and go as far away from the trees as possible. So.
yeah, that's going to be difficult. But what I can do is I can kind of point you in a direction
Yeah, do that.
and just see what happens.
Oh! I think that might have got another flash. Got this shelf cloud slash whale's mouth there. Right there.
I reckon you need to point it north.
That way now. Look at those clouds up there, nice cumulus clouds. down there. Really good view down here, but not very much lightning is happening.
Then we have to go back on the M5.
You might have to in a second. Various clouds down there. 2, maybe 3 flashes. Maybe even 4, we'll see. I'll have to see on the edit, I guess.
The radar is... Is this way like that? So it's talking about... It's like going on a bear hunt.
Oh man, those clouds are nice. Look at that there. Like, that is kind of like a shelf cloud still on the front there, down there. Strike right now.
At this point, the Worcester cell had completely dissipated, but a new storm was developing towards Tewksbury, so we decided to head towards Tewksbury in an attempt of catching it.
Where's that? Where's that towards? Can really see though right here, right in front of here, that's the possible shelf cloud. System kind of goes on to there, possibly, I'm not sure. There you go. Oh, it's looking pretty intense. Was that lighting? I might have seen lighting at the front, or I was just seeing things. I think it's kind of all dissipated.
I think once it's been passing, that's probably it.
Got my structure.
It's nothing new though, other than that.
I can kind of relax.
That's it.
Put my t-shirt back on. You screenshot that for me. Whoa! Where was that? That was up in the clouds. Jeez, that was close. Might want to lift that up actually slightly. I might actually just take it out if I...
Thank you for watching this video. Consider liking, subscribing and commenting on this video. It really helps the channel out. And with that said, I'll see you on the next one.